Hey guys, in today's video, I'm giving you another beginner cake idea. A great thing about this cake is you can use any colors you want to make it unique for any occasion, like this princess themed birthday cake. Start with multiple icing colors in a piping bag fitted with a 1M piping tip. Pipe large swirls randomly on the cake. I'm using a 1M piping tip again with only 2 colors. With a leaf tip and 2 icing colors, pipe ribbons in a zigzag motion. Now I'm using an open star tip with blue icing to pipe drops in little swirls around the cake. Here I'm doing the same technique with a different open star tip and purple icing. Next, I'm using all of my piping bags to fill in the empty spaces all over the cake. For the final touch, pipe little pearls around the cake using a round piping tip and white icing.